Hello friends, good morning, good morning. You're welcome to my channel. Today I want to emphasize on the fact that all what you need to become profitable is pattern. If you listen to me, you're going to shorten your learning curves. All you need is one pattern to become profitable, right? Now you ask yourself, now another tips I want to give to you is the best time frame to spot those patterns. Any pattern you choose to trade, it must be in a higher time frame. I strongly recommend from 4 hour upward. If your eye is able to spot a particular pattern on the higher time frame, now you begin to backtest it to see how accurate it is. You begin to filter it to know the fake out. You begin to backtest it. It might take you 1 year, it might take you 6 months. Once you have that at the back of your hand, you are going to become consistently profitable. Nothing works better than that. That's an easy way to learn forex. The trend lines, all that doesn't matter. What the market respects is higher time frame patterns because it takes time to formulate. It takes time to bring out for you to see. You understand? So now, I'm not telling you every other things you can learn in the forex market is going to be an additional for you. It's going to make you see things in a broader perspectives. It's going to make you become a professional. But what's going to make you become consistently profitable is patterns. It might be a descending, how do they call it? A ascending wedge pattern, a descending wedge pattern, you double top, you double bottom, whatever harmonic patterns. Once you master one pattern in a higher time frame, you are going to become profitable. Okay, let me show you an example of all the trades we took. Example, let me come here. Here I trade what I'm not telling you what I don't do. I don't tell you this is Eurochef trade we took today. You can see is one pattern. This our entry was at this point. This is Eurochef today. All right, this Eurochef you took entry was at this point. One pattern. You're not trading. Okay, this is a clearer picture. We took it here. Right, this is a pattern we have mastered. You can choose any pattern to trade. Okay, you can choose any pattern to trade. I'm not telling you to trade my pattern, but once I have mastered this pattern, when I sit on the higher time frame, it's a 90% win rate. Okay, this is Euro USD. This was yesterday trade too. This was Euro USD. Same pattern. Forget my chart is this particular chart. I didn't want to. Same pattern. This is Euro USD. If you are looking, see on my screen, this Euro USD. We took it here. Daily chart. This Euro card. Same pattern. We took the trade here. If you can join our Telegram channel on the description, you're going to see all this trade we posted there. Same pattern. It's AUD chef. Same pattern. We took our trade here. All what we do is that we spot the pattern on a higher time frame. We now go to a lower time frame for entry, because we believe that the higher time frame I don't know how it happens, but once the higher time frame gives you a pattern, you can now step down to a lower time frame and analyze and perfect your entry. The higher time frame is for the pattern. Now you cannot use the lower time frame to perfect your entry. That's when we talk about price action and all that. But if you can take this from me and master your patterns, you're going to become profitable within 1 year. I'm not telling you to trade my pattern. This is New Zealand chef. You can see it. We took our trade here. Same pattern. This British pound chef. We took our trade here. Same pattern. So why are you telling? So forex is not something difficult. All you need to do is your eye. Like I said, your eye is your Number one should be your number one indicator. Every other thing you're learning in Forex should be an additional to make you perfect your entry based on the pattern you have chosen to trade. Whatever thing you're learning in Forex should be an additional to perfect your entry based on the pattern you have chosen to trade. I'm not telling you to trade my pattern. I'm telling you what you need is pattern. You can download books online on patterns and choose a pattern and begin to look at higher time frame, 4 hour, daily, weekly, monthly. You begin to backtest a particular pattern you're comfortable with on a higher time frame and put all the pairs on that time frame. And every day you look at it, every week you look at it, and decide to trade that. But you're going to become profitable. Then the lower time frame is to perfect your entry. Who tells you Forex is difficult? Forex is very easy. It's a secret tips a lot of professional traders are hiding. I'm revealing it to you in this channel. Go to a higher time frame, 4 hour, daily, and begin to use your eye. Just look at how the market is printing. Just look at it. You're good, but first you must have the background knowledge of patterns. You must know which descending wedge, ascending wedge, double top, double bottom, so many of them. So once you see it, you can identify it, then you begin to backtest it. Do you understand? That is just it. That is just it. Okay, this was USD chart we took. Same pattern here. I don't know if you are seeing my chart. Same pattern. Okay, so Forex is not difficult. If it's difficult, that means you are not applying what we are learning on this channel. Okay, it's good to learn trend lines. It's good to learn wave theory. It's good to learn all that. But one thing will make you become a profitable trader: patterns. What will higher time frame patterns teach you? It will teach you discipline. It's going to teach you patience. It's going to teach you those two things that are needed to be a profitable trader. Patterns is going to teach you those two things to become a profitable trader. Patience. Because the higher time frame takes time to print those patterns. So you need to wait for it to print. So once you see it, you now go to lower time, and begin to look for price action to perfect your early entry. That's just it. This is the trade we took today. Here, hit our first take profit. Took our first take profits here. That was profit. Okay, EuroCAD was yesterday. EuroCAD was yesterday. Let me show you. Same pattern. You are not. EuroCAD was yesterday. It's still dropping today. Here. Sorry. Just showing. I'm telling you, he took the trade here. Same pattern. This daily chart. Same pattern. He took the trade here. Euro USD was still yesterday. These are trades we are taking. So I have them on my head. This was here. Euro USD took it here yesterday. Okay. We took this is the land chef. Took the trade. That was a few days ago. You took this trade here at this point. Boom. Same pattern. I am not telling you to trade my pattern. Look for a pattern and trade. Look for a pattern. British pound USD. Let me show you. We took it. British pound USD was a nice setup. Same pattern. See it here. Here. Forex is easy. It's simple. Don't let anybody deceive you. When if you are going to the lower time frame, is to, it's because you have already seen what you want in the higher time frame. Then the lower time frame is to perfect your entry. That's what we do, and that's what you're telling you to do. But the pattern you want to trade, make sure it is on the higher time frame. Okay, it's on the higher time frame. It might be a ascending wedge pattern. It might be a descending wedge pattern. It might be a double top pattern. It might be a double bottom pattern. It might be whatever pattern. If it's on the higher time frame, your eye is seeing it. Begin to master it. Begin to master it. All you need is one pattern to become profitable. All you need is one pattern to become profitable. I don't have anything else to teach you. because this is just what you need to start doing this year to cut your journey short. Okay, we have ascending wedge pattern, right? It's an ascending wedge pattern that the market will, begin to bounce. If you see this on the daily time frame, good for you. Master your entry and your exit. This is ascending wedge pattern. This is ascending wedge pattern, and this is, I think, this is descending wedge pattern. The market comes this way, begins to descend. Okay, these are good patterns that if you spot on a higher time frame, you are good to go. Just all you need is patience to wait. No, this is not really descending properly. It's not descending properly. Okay, sorry. Sorry. Now, if you spot this you spot this descending wedge pattern on higher time frame and decide and you build. If you spot the descending wedge pattern on a higher time frame, right, and you build up the discipline to trade it, to trade only it. If you don't see it, you don't trade. You're going to become profitable. You're going to become profitable. I am not saying that when the market is ascending, it will come down, or when the market is descending, it will go up. All I'm saying is that backtest this pattern. Backtest this pattern. From your backtest, you know that, oh, when is this ascending, it's going to go up, it's going to come down. Or when it's descending, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. Backtest what price action happens here in a lower time frame. Backtest what price action happens in a lower time frame to give you a confirmation that it's going to drop. Backtest it from your record. But one thing I can tell you is that higher time frame pattern is what you should master. Okay, it might be a double bottom, a double top, it might be a double bottom. There's so many other patterns. So you master it and become profitable. All right, thanks for watching. My next video, I'm going to talk more about how to perfect your entries. That's after you have mastered the pattern on a higher time frame. Perfecting your entries is what you should be looking at in a lower time frame, not you looking for patterns in a lower time frame, looking for entries in a lower time frame. You're not going to be profitable. After you have mastered the patterns in the higher time frame, what next you should focus on is your entries in the lower time frame, which might be from 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes, or 4 hours, if based on the higher time frame you are using. Do you understand? But patterns is what's going to make you profitable. Take it out from me. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.